Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Optronics Round Fusion LED Hardwired Stop, Tail, Turn, Backup, and Warning Trailer Light. Has the red and the clear lens. Now this is a round trailer tail light, has a nice smooth bright red exterior, and it serves 5 functions. And I do have this hooked up to some 12 volt power, so we can go through those functions and show you what they look like. So I'm going to first turn on our 12 volt power, and you'll see the first function comes on is the tail lights. We'll go ahead and turn off the overheads. And there's your tail light function. You can see what it is an outer band of 10 red LEDs that light up. And then when you apply your brakes, you'll notice those same 10 red LEDs will brighten to let people know you're applying your brakes. And then if you turn on your turn signal, you can see that same outer band of the same 10 red LEDs will brighten and flash to let them know what direction you're turning in. And the other feature is going to be the backup light. So what we're going to do with that is we'll take hook up our backup light, and just to show you when you go into reverse what's going to happen. You'll see that center white X lens right there. It's a clear lens. For the backup light, there's 6 white LEDs there that you'll notice will light up very bright. So when you go into reverse, it'll let people know behind you that you're going to back up. And then what's unique on this light, what I wanted to show you was it has a orange and a green wire, and those will hook up to a warning light if you want to have a warning light on this light here. If you take the green wire, that's going to give you an amber warning, and I just want to show you that. If we hook up the green wire and you hit your warning, you'll see that the green wire is going to get you 4 amber LEDs that'll flash as a warning light. Very bright. And then the orange wire we mentioned, if we hook that one up, again just separately, and if you turn on your warning function, you'll see that it's going to get you those 6 white LEDs in the same center lens there, lighting up in a flashing there. Now if you hook both of them at the same time, the green and the orange, you'll notice what's really nice. It'll get you a warning light that'll alternate. In other words, you're going to have the 4 amber LEDs, and then the next one is the 6 white LEDs. So they'll go back and forth between the 2. So it gives you a nice warning light function. Now this light has 20 LEDs total on it. It will get you 4 flash patterns that can be synchronized with multiple lights on the vehicle or trailer. And they do have 2 wires, a blue and a yellow wire that we'll go through at the end here. I'm going to go through all the wire colors and tell you what they do. Turn off our power, turn back on our overhead lights. We'll disconnect this. But before I go through the wires and the colors, what I want to go through is some features on this light. It is a sonically sealed waterproof housing and lens unit, which makes it submersible. It does use Durable Smt Technology, which is surface mount technology, and that's the construction of the LED circuit board. It'll let you better withstand shock and vibration and allows for improved heat distribution. We mentioned they use LEDs in this light, so they do make great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last 50 times longer. They're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output, and of course no bulbs to replace or brittle filaments that are going to break, and you do get lifetime warranty on the LEDs. You can see it is a red lens, has an inside clear X lens in the middle, uses red, white, and amber LEDs. Basically the red lens will have red LEDs for stop, tail, and turn. The clear we showed you lens has white LEDs for backup, and also white and amber LEDs for a warning light. This is a flush mount design light. You can see it comes with the built-in black flange. It does have the 3 holes that you put your screws in. Now it does not come with mounting hardware. You would have to supply that. It is hardwired. It's all ready to install. The wire length is about 8 inches. And now we'll go through the colors of the wires I mentioned. Basically what we're going to have here is we'll start with the black wire. And the black wire is going to be your tail light wire. The white will be your ground wire. The red wire is going to be your stop and turn. And the brown is your backup light. And then we mentioned the green. That's going to get you the amber warning feature. The orange will get you the white warning feature. And then we mentioned the blue and the yellow Those are the two that you'll hook up. The blue will get you the different flash patterns if you want to switch, and the yellow will sync if you have other lights that you want to hook up on your vehicle or trailer. This yellow will sync all the lights together that have these features. This light is DOT compliant, Department of Transportation compliant, does meet the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 108 requirements for automotive lighting. It is a 12-volt light. Last thing is just give you a few dimensions. We're going to do the overall diameter, including the mounting flange. So there's 5.5 inches. The light face, just the light face, is 4.25 inches. And the depth of it, right at 1 inch deep. But that should do it for the review on this Optronics Round Fusion LED Hardwired Stop, Tail, Turn, Backup, and Warning Trailer Light.